you don't control your time will control you. All right, we hear it all the time and we say it all the time. I don't have enough time. There's just too much to do. But here's the thing. We're not actually short on time. We just lack clarity and focus. People spend days reacting to tasks, emails, and distractions instead of moving towards their goals. But the good news is that time management isn't about squeezing more tasks into your day. It's about prioritizing what matters and creating space for meaningful progress, and that's what it's going to take. So, today I'm going to teach you some actionable strategies to reclaim your time, eliminate distractions, and finally feel in control of your day. That sounds good? Stick around, because at the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to make your time work for you, not against you. Let's break time management into 3 simple steps. Plan, prioritize, and protect. The first step to taking back control of your time is planning. Without a plan, it's easy to drift through your day and react to whatever comes up. So here's how to plan effectively. Start the night before. Write down your top 3 priorities for the next day. And in the morning, when you wake up, you can take a quick look at it and be ready to go, or adjust as you need to. Block time for deep work. You have to identify when you're the most productive. Is it in the morning? Is it at night? When is it? It doesn't matter, but whenever you're the most productive, schedule your hardest tasks during that window. All right, here's a good hack. Batch similar tasks together. Batching, like grouping emails together or admin work together, it allows you to get into that flow because switching between different types of work actually kills your day. So planning is about not really packing your day full of endless tasks, but rather choosing what deserves your energy and your attention. And remember, not all tasks are created equal. To master your time management, you need to identify the work that truly matters. So, here's how to prioritize effectively. Use the 80-20 rule. Focus on the 20% of the tasks that create 80% of the results. Identify urgency versus importance. Just because something feels urgent doesn't mean it's important. So set clear boundaries. Say no to tasks and distractions that don't align with your goals. Prioritization ensures you're spending your time on what moves the needle, not just what feels pressing in the moment. So, the best plan and priorities won't help if you let interruptions and distractions take over your day. So protecting your time is non-negotiable. Here is how to protect your time. Eliminate distractions. Okay, we hear this all the time, but who actually does it? Make sure you do it. Turn off notifications, close unnecessary tabs, create a workspace that minimizes your interruptions. Set time boundaries. Let people know when you are available and when you are not. Schedule breaks. Protecting your time includes recharging, so schedule breaks to maintain focus. When you protect your time, you create the space you need to work efficiently and effectively. All right, let's take a look at how these 3 steps work together in a real-life situation. So imagine yourself starting your day with a clear plan, because you wrote it the night before. You defined your priorities the night before, and now you're blocking out time for focused work. And know when to handle the smaller tasks. So during the day, you prioritize what matters. You guard your time by setting boundaries against interruptions. But here's the thing. Even with a solid time management plan, there are pitfalls to watch out for. Overloading your schedule. You have to leave room for flexibility. Multitasking, don't do it. Focus on one task at a time for better results. Ignoring breaks, don't do that either. Don't power through it. Rest is essential for sustained focus. Here's the bottom line. Time management isn't about doing more. It's about doing what matters most. And so with a clear, plan, the right priorities, and commitment to protecting your time, you can take back control of your day. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And of course, share it with someone who you think might need some time management tips. And in the next video, we'll explore the leadership mindset, how to thrive through uncertainty. So guys, as always, stay creative, take action, and go out there and make your mark. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.